Right now, I am the first person in line on the very first day that the Tesla Diner is going to open. These are the back gates, and this is where the sign says on the inside of the gate that it's going to open. So in today's video, we are going to attempt to be the first person to drive inside of the Tesla Diner and charge our Cybertruck, but also, what is the food like? I want to test all the food. I want to give you a tour to see what's inside of the Tesla Diner on the first day of public launch. Here is the update. This final gate back here is going to be the entrance. We are up in the front. The Cybertruck is moving in front of us. We have a clear path. It is 4:18. We are at 28 miles of range left. We're ready to go. Even our truck thinks it's time to pull forward. But if you look on the map, it still says temporary closure for the Tesla Diner. First people in the world for the public opening day. Was it worth 11 hours of waiting here? Absolutely not. But I'm really excited to go in there. At least finally we're gonna go in, because if it got pushed to tomorrow, I might have to drive home and not be able to make it. All right, it's 4:20. We did it. Haha. Oh, he says come on in. Woo! We're going in. We're in the Charger. All this 11 hours for this. We did it. Everybody should cheer for us right now. All right, we are coming in. Let us into the main one. Right here. We're the first ones. There's the chief designer, Franz. He's right there. We are in. We did it. Wow, I did a very bad job parking. I hit this guy right here. I'm on an angle. I should probably straighten it out. Hoo-ah! Yeah! Oh, you really have to pull hard. Okay, we're plugging in. We have parked the car. It is getting charged right now, and now we have officially walked into the Tesla Diner. We're here. There is a very long line to get food, but this is what the Tesla Diner looks like on the inside. They're getting all of the cheeseburger boxes all ready right now for the massive influx of customers that are looking for food. The ceiling is futuristic looking. And then back here you can see Santa Monica Boulevard, like the Route 66 is going right here. And I love the way that the glass is all bubbled. And so you have this great view. Before it was just that black fence and you couldn't really see much. But now it really opens up when you come inside of here, and it feels very futuristic. I mean, look at this place. Everything about it is just screaming, we are living in the future. And that's the thing about the Cybertruck. They want it to look like you're in the future, and I feel like you're getting that with the diner also. Like, it's an old school retro diner, but it feels like you're in the future. This is it. This is the second level, the sky deck up here. It has a bar. You can see the movie theaters. You can hear the audio from the movies. Okay, popcorn time. Do we just hand you the popcorn? Okay, so we get this. We hand it to him. Oh, look at that. It grabbed it.
Let's give you one of everything, right?
Optimus is doing a great job right now. Thank you, Optimus. Oh, bye. So this is where we order the merch right here. Okay, I would like to get the Tesla Bot action figure. Do you have any of those? There's a black Tesla Bot action figure that looks super cool, so I'm definitely gonna get one of those. You know what? I'm gonna get 2 of them, and I'm gonna give it away to one of you in the comments. If you want the Tesla Bot, we will get one for you. I heard the bathrooms were kind of cool. All right, we got some Tesla merch inside of here. One of my favorites is this little bot guy. Let's open him up. Look how cool this guy is. We bought 2 of these. If one of you guys want these, we will give it away to somebody in the comments. Leave a comment about what you think about this, and I will pick somebody out at random. You know I like black hats, so I saw the black hat and I was like, that's pretty cool. And it's not like a Tesla, full Tesla logo. It's just kind of this on it. It does say diner on the back. So you either are a Tesla fan or you're an employee that works inside of a diner. There we go, there's the hat. And then the third thing that we got, it is this lightning bolt, electricity bolt of Tesla. And inside of it, I know you wanna know what's inside of it, we have 3 different styles of gummy bears. The first one is Dog Mode Chill. We have Mango Bolt, and we have Cyber Berry. That's right, those are our 3 types of gummy bears that are inside of this lightning bolt that I probably paid way too much for. I mean, it's pretty cool. Like, I'm sitting in my Cybertruck charging on a version 4 Supercharger, and we have a movie playing up above. Now, if we're inside of the car, we can connect to the audio and actually hear the movie going on, or we can get the app inside of our car if we don't want to get out and go in the diner, and then just order the food right there, and they will bring out on roller skates your food. This is a pretty cool setup right here. I like it. Look at this. We have got ice cream coming. Is it Dole Whip? Oh, yum. Thank you. Vanilla. Okay, there we go. Roller skating girl brings you ice cream. When you go to a Rivian charger, does a girl on roller skates bring you vanilla ice cream? I don't think so. In fact, this is the only Tesla charger that does it, but hey, it's a start. We have got our ice cream. Taste test of the vanilla ice cream from the roller skating girl. One more bite. I'm just gonna keep you waiting. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. If I had to give it anything lower than a 10 out of 10, it would be maybe a 9.8, and that would only be because the spoon is wooden, and you do taste the spoon a little bit. You taste the wood with the ice cream. Ice cream's phenomenal. I need to try some more food in there. Just the ice cream is so good, and it was free. Look up here at the top of the diner. No, not down there, right here. This is me. I'm at the top. This is the second floor. It is absolute madness. You probably have 500 people here, and the app is not working yet on the truck. So we can't order food from the truck to get up here. We just have to get in line. First thing we do is come up to this touch screen. Is this the place to order the food? Yeah. Did I just spend $154 on food for me and one other person? Yes, I did. And yes, we're going to be using this to do a taste test of everything, on the menu. I think it's 12 items, but I did get a milkshake and I did get a fountain drink, but the rest of it is like everything. We have tray number 1. Tray number 2. I'm very hungry. Tray number 3. We're not done yet. 13 minutes. 12 meal items in 13 minutes with this crowd going on. I'm impressed with that. They even sent me a text saying your food is ready and we're making your order. This is day 1. A lot of probably new employees, new processes, and this thing has been packed for hours. All right, this process is good. Now let's see if the food's any good. This is what 10 meals at the Tesla diner looks like. We ordered almost everything on the menu other than some of the breakfast stuff, which I did do some of the breakfast stuff. Right now we're gonna taste test every single one of them and see if it's any good. One of the first things that I wanna point out is that not every box is made the same size. A lot of them are. All of these I guess are, except for this ginormous one. Can you guess what that one is? All right, spoiler alert, here you go. It is the wiener. The first, I think we go with the one that everybody wants to know about, the cheeseburger, a classic cheeseburger. The first thing I'll say is it looks like a smash burger, but it does have a very good look to it with that. It should get all the juice out of it and everything. Oh yeah, that looks really good. That's a winner. That's actually really good. There's no ketchup on it, which is a little odd. I typically like ketchup. The sauce that they do have on there is like a special sauce, kind of like what you would see at like an In-N-Out burger. The pickles are thick and cut very well. The lettuce kind of is a mix between In-N-Out burger and McDonald's, if that makes sense. It's like really thin. The bun is the way I like it, really thin, really nice. The only thing if I had a negative is I typically like my burger a little bit more well cooked, and I do see a bit of pink inside of it, which is understandable today. They're making thousands of burgers and food. They had to make 10 things just for me, but I do wish that it was cooked just a little bit more. All right, that is very good. Would do it again. Yes, yum, yum, yum. The next one is really tricky. It is biscuits and gravy with an egg inside of it. I don't even remember ordering this. All right, this is gonna get messy. I can already feel it. Oh, it's all over my fingers. If we squeeze it a little bit, we got some of the egg. Can we get some of that? Ooh, there's the egg just oozing out, the over easy egg. People eat this. Wow, is this healthy? Probably not. That is a mess. My goodness, all you from the South that eat biscuits and gravy, is this meant to be eaten with a fork and a knife? Because I feel like it is. My hands are a disaster right now, but I will say, I would definitely eat that again. That is really good. I think Elon likes food and he likes to have good food. This is a step up. This is really, really good. Next up, here we go. I've been excited for this one. This one is a tuna melt. It's got tuna fish, cheese that's melted on it, and pickles in there, cucumbers. Oh yeah, there's the pickles on there. On a, basically like a grilled cheese bun. Gotta bring this over here, I'm making a mess. Let's give it a shot. Yes. Very good mixture of everything. Good proportion. Sometimes you get these and they have too much tuna on them and then you bite it and it's like dripping out, or the mix is like too hard. This is a very good mixture. A lot of work went into toasting this right, grilling the cheese, putting everything on. This is now becoming a food review video. This is good. If you like tuna melts, I think you're gonna like. I've never had chicken waffles in my life. Here it is. That could not be healthy. One of the things I noticed as I bit it, it does have the Tesla lightning logo right there. The charged logo. You see that lightning bolt? That's pretty rad. It has like a honey-based sauce on it that makes it really good, that ties it all together. Not something that I would get again, not because it's not good, it is good. It's not something I would get. All right, the next one. How about a breakfast sandwich here with egg and cheese and tons of lettuce and basil? Whoa, that is good. That sauce on there? Yes, winner. Unbelievable. Breakfast sandwich. I would come here for breakfast. Adult grilled cheese sandwich. Tastes like an adult grilled cheese sandwich. Kids grilled cheese sandwich. I think maybe the only difference is they cut off the crust. Tastes like a grilled cheese sandwich. Last but not least, we have the hot dog, which I did try earlier for the short form video. Gotta try it again, another bite. Wow, there's a lot of food. I am not Joey Chestnut. The thing I will say is a negative on this is there's no ketchup. There needs to be a different kind of sauce. Maybe they have some over there that you can get. Maybe I could have chosen on the touchscreen. Onions, I don't know. A little too much hot dog coming out of the bun. I want hot dog in the bun. That's the goal, in the bun, not sticking out. This is probably my least favorite, and I like hot dogs. But on the flip side, we've got these potato French fries. Perfect saltiness. I don't know how they made this. I've never had a potato wedge like this. This is incredible. Woo! That's it. Oh, milkshake. I'm so full right now. Here we go, chocolatey milkshake. Very runny at this point. It's more of one of the ones that you drink. It's not one you eat with a spoon. Tastes like chocolate. It's pretty good. And then their orange soda is not Fanta. I don't know what brand it is. It's Tesla's own brand. They do a good job. It tastes like McDonald's orange drink, the old school stuff, with just a little bit of carbonation. I have definitely left a mess here. That was a lot of food. I've overstayed my welcome. Time to clean this up, eat some more of the food, and then let's give you my final thoughts on the Tesla diner. There is Spock. There's my truck over there. Good news. One of my Tesla friends over here says that he has access to the Tesla Diner app on his screen. This is what it should look like. It is loading right now. We are at the Tesla Diner shop. So now what we are seeing is exactly what we saw on the touchscreen in there, except we're sitting in our car and we can go on here and order all of the many things that we just ordered. This is great. This is a nice addition. Good job, Tesla team. Oh, it's a cheeseburger emoji. Oh, look at that. That's the one. The sun is setting here on day one at the Tesla Diner, and it really comes alive at night. This place is open 24 hours, 7 days a week, and they did say the diner is gonna be open 20. Alert, alert. This is a hit. Look, the food was really, really good. The lines were not super good, but this is day one, like 5 hours into this thing being open. I do think they're gonna have to have really, really good security. It's not in the best of area. There are definitely protesters that are out that don't support Elon Musk or get really political about stuff. And unfortunately, here in California, you do have a lot of homeless people, and there are a lot of them around this area. There's also good homes and good places too, but some of that does creep into here. So I hope they always have good security so that people feel safe when they come into here, because if they do, this is one of the best experiences. With electric cars, we don't have fancy gas stations. You just have these chargers in the middle of nowhere, and whatever is next to it, whether it's a Mexican restaurant or a terrible gas station or a hotel, sometimes you don't even have bathrooms at these stops. This place has a bathroom, it has food, you have movies that you can watch. There's just a lot going on. The vibe is really, really good, and it doesn't hurt that we're near North Hollywood. There's my initial review. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts. And yes, I'm gonna give away that Optimus Robot to one of you in the comments. So let me know, share this video with somebody, and we'll see you next time. I gotta drive home to Utah. 7-hour drive. Let's go.